Greetings, this is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see a professional trader trade. I will tell you exactly what I'm thinking, why I'm taking some trades or not taking some trades. You will get to understand my setup, my setups, and let's start this journey. So right now, this is 8:33, and so far from last night, I would say from 1 a.m., the market has been rising. And now we are at a point where we are wondering whether it will reverse or will it actually, there's a chance that it reverses. So let's wait and see here. The chance that it reverses. If it crosses this line, I intend to get into the trade. But yet again, the market has ups and downs. Let's see if it crosses this line. If it does, we will get into a sell trade. Yeah. So the price action actually crossed this line, which is a support line, and now it reached this level and did not cross it, which is the same level as here. See? Now we're hoping that it's 8:34. Let's see what time is it now. It's gonna be 8:35. Yep. I have a rule that I like to wait until 8:35 before entering a trade. So right now, if it crosses this line, let's see if it will continue down. If not, let's just wait for the right trade. Something that I'm also looking forward to see is, see this blue line? That is the 7-period moving average, simple moving average. Let's see if it's going to cross the 20-period, which is this bold pink line. I like when my simple moving average lines cross. That's a very good sign for me. But then, let's wait. There's a chance that it goes down. But then, this is the 400 chart here. And on the right, this is the 800 chart, which gives you a greater aggregate view of the market. So right now is what I'm seeing. There is this line in which line is this? This is 2236, 2236, 10. So somewhere here, price action 223610. Oh, so there's a chance it actually goes up now. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. So we have price action crossing those lines. I want to make sure that price action, the simple moving average are crossing 50. Let's see. And then let's see if it's going to cross those lines. If it does, we're good. If not, we need to exit. touch that line, and then reversed right away. Let's see if it will have the momentum to go up. Okay, this might be time for us to exit. See if there's momentum to go all the way up. Let's stay. If not, I need to exit. Okay, we exited. Entering this trade. Let's see if we'll continue down. Okay, right now this is an interesting point. We wanted to cross this line and just continue its descent and not reverse. This line here is very important. Okay, reversed, touch that line, reversed. Let's hope it continues. We wanted to cross this line, this red line here. That's the line that gives us a sense of, okay, now, if it continues, let's hope it just continues. Right now I'm going to put lines on the support and resistance. This major red line is the low of the day, so you never know, it might reach the low of the day if it feels inclined to. And this is a major line, major support line, so if it crosses it, and this is one here. Now we are at a point. Let's see if price action will continue. There is some pushback here. Let's hope it goes all the way to the red. There is some pushback. Let's hope it continues down. It's not crossing the previous low, this movement. See, it's not crossing yet, but I feel it will. It would be wonderful if it did. Okay, crossed and reversed. Okay, this is very major. Hopefully it goes down instead of reversing right now. Hopefully it goes down instead of reversing. That being said, I should be ready. That'll be wonderful and marvelous. I always advise breathing technique just to be able to stay in a trade and not exit when one wants to panic. Okay. I'm hoping it actually gets to the green or the blue. That'll be wonderful. Okay, this is your moment for you to cross It's not crossing decisively. We want it to cross decisively and go all the way to the blue here. Okay, now we are at a point where if it crosses this red line and reaches the green, we are good for some profits. Let's hope it continues. If it continues, that'll be amazing. So continue. Instead of reversing, if we could get to this line here. This is the line that if it crosses, you don't want it to reverse. Oh, it's reversing it. See, there's potential that it actually reaches these lines. I'm just making sure. There's potential. There's potential. Hopefully there's momentum to cross all the way down. Momentum. Momentum. Gets to the blue, that's going to be amazing. Cross it, get to here, possibly even break that low of the day. See, let's go. We want you to cross this blue. See here, this is the line that it needs to cross. To cross this line here. Okay. Putting this. Continues. That would be truly amazing. Okay, some pushback. Hopefully, yes, you can. Let's do this. Okay, some reversal. It's reversing, it's reversing. It's reversing. Hopefully, not too much. Not too much. Hopefully, it continues down its descent for more profitability. This is a major support line that it needs to cross and eventually get here and in this red, which would be amazing. Okay, it crosses this. Okay, now putting this line here. Following. Okay, it touched this line. See from here to here. Touch this line. Good. We don't want it to cross this line. We want it to continue down. No, 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 no. Some. There's a sharp reversal happening right now. It's rough, it's rough, it's rough. Fully reverses back down. Fully reverses back down. Fully reverses back down. If not, we'll exit. Fully. Let's reverse back down. Let's go. If it crosses this line, we should exit. Okay. Okay, we exited. That was a 4-point reversal in a couple of seconds actually. Okay. That was a very good trade. The only issue here is that I'm not very happy with this trade. I wonder what, here's the situation. The situation is my rule demands that when I enter, there is a support line that is crossed. So it touched here and did not cross it. And from 2242 all the way down to here, I should have exited by the time it did that. That's not a very good sign. Now, why didn't I enter here? That was 832. I really want to enter after 835. And what happened here, price action in one. See, that could have been a great trade, interestingly. If it had crossed this line, maybe that would have been an amazing trade. But here, we're already thinking about the reversal. And in one swoop, you have one candle crossing all those support. One candle crossing not only the support line, but crossing the simple moving average. And you have the 2-period moving average crossing decisively all the other ones. And the price action just continued until it got here. And that was a very hefty reversal. But then you've already made some money. There's no point in what's the word I'm looking for? And losing what we've made. There's no way we would have known that we should have exited here until it crossed that line. That's the only way. But that was a very good trade. Sometimes the market gives you quite a bit. So from 2236 all the way down to 2221, that was 16 points. Beautiful 16 points. And if you want to look at the performance today, what is our performance today? Yeah, this amount was too much. We don't need to lose that much, but we made some profit, and that's good. Okay. I still need to create a better sense of when to exit, because by the time it reached here, I should have a better rule. The idea of being a good trader is not knowing when to enter trades, but knowing when to exit them. For example, right now, this was too risky for me. I wasn't gonna wait possibly that it would reverse here. For example, right now, it is reversing here, but is it really worth it? You don't know. I don't know if it's gonna reverse. And between what you have now and what you could have, what truly matters is what you have now. This is the trade. This could have been a good trade, but then it touched the high and reversed right away. That is something for me to take note of. What happens when price action touches a low and reverses right away? That is a very good question. Or for example, here, see how interesting this is? It price action touched, most likely it got here, went back here. What if, okay, you know what, this is a work of perpetual motion. We're always growing, always improving, so let's keep the momentum. Let's keep the momentum and keep doing what works and stop doing what doesn't work. That being said, just like I'm showing you right now, all that matters, all you need is just one good trade. Just one good trade will sometimes, just like you've seen, it will wipe out your losses, but sometimes it doesn't. But still, one good trade is all you need. You see this? Isn't it interesting how I did that? This is why now when I'm done trading, I turn off my computer and I don't focus on what could have happened and what I could have done different. Doesn't matter. What matters is what we have now. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.